Hi, today let's make tasty Mangalorean prawn gassi or yetti gassi. Let's dry roast some basic spices like coriander seeds, cumin seeds and peppercorns. In a blender, I'm adding in some grated coconut. I'm adding in some tamarind, soaked dry red chilies along with the roasted spices. Blend it into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now in a kadai, I've added in oil. Coconut oil gives the exact taste. If you don't like the coconut oil, you can add in any oil of your choice. I've added in mustard seeds. When it starts spluttering, add in green chilies which has been split, crushed garlic along with some curry leaves, and just give it a good mix. After just it takes around 30 seconds, and then add in chopped onions and fry the onions till it's slightly pink. It doesn't need to be brown, slight pink is enough. Once it turns slightly pink, what you need to do is add in the paste which we have blended into this into the pot and just give it a good mix. This recipe tastes exactly just what you have it in the restaurant. I definitely ask you to try this. Give it a good mix, and when you see the first boil in the gravy, that is the time you need to add in some salt and turmeric powder. Again, give it a good mix, and then add in the cleaned, washed and deveined prawns. Prawns doesn't take a long time to cook. It takes around 8 minutes. That's it. Don't overcook it, otherwise it will tend to be rubbery. So I'm adding in the prawns. Just give it a good mix and let the prawns boil really very well in the gravy so that it infuses all the yummy tasty flavors. See, you can see the boil. Now prawns will cook quickly, and then you can have this with tasty boiled rice, neer dosa, appam or idli. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy.